This is a troubleshoot guide for our third brake light DIY conversion kit. We recently got a few questions about this product that we want to address so your installation will go as smoothly as possible. The LED third brake light bulb has a rubber base that allows you to easily replace your 7440 or 7443 light bulb. You won't have to shave your bulb base or worry about water coming in. To install it, simply plug it in. The black wire is of course the negative ground wire and the blue and red wires are positive wires. However, the functions of the blue and red wires vary by production batches. So to find out which wire does what, test each wire on your car battery. You may pull the wires apart to make it easier to do your testing. Once you determine which wire does what, make a note of which wire is the tail light and which wire is the brake light. Wire the black wire to the tail light negative and the blue and red wires to the tail light positive. Some people have told us that the brake light portion isn't working. This is because the brake light wire was connected first, so when the brakes are applied, it doesn't shine brighter. Connect the taillight positive wire first. In our case, it's the blue wire. This will make the dimmer running light run by default. Wiring the brake light wire afterwards will ensure the brighter light shines when applying your brakes. If you like this video, like, share, and comment, and follow our social media channels for more updates. Thanks for watching.